Hello, and welcome back to Everyday English Talk, the podcast that helps you practice real English for daily life. I'm Anna.
And I'm Ben. In today's episode, we're talking about something many people enjoy: picnics.
Yes, a picnic means eating food outside, maybe in a park, garden, forest, beach, or by a lake.
Picnics are fun, relaxing, and a great way to spend time with family, friends, classmates, or even coworkers.
That's true. You can share food, play games, and enjoy nature together.
And in English, there are many useful words to describe picnics. In this episode, we'll learn how to talk about where to go, what to bring, what to do, and why people love picnics.
We'll also practice short dialogues and real-life expressions that you can use in your everyday English conversations.
And remember, you can also download the free PDF transcript for this episode. It has the full script, today's vocabulary list, and extra practice exercises.
You'll find the link in the description. You can read along while listening or review it later when you study.
So get ready and let's begin.
So let's start with a simple question. What is a picnic?
A picnic is when you eat food outside, usually in a park, garden, or near a lake. Sometimes people have a picnic at the beach or even in their backyard.
Yes, instead of eating at home or in a restaurant, people take their food outside. You can sit on the grass, under a tree, or near the water.
And the goal is to relax, have fun, and enjoy nature. You can feel the sun, hear the birds, and enjoy a beautiful day.
For example, last weekend I went to the park with my family. We brought sandwiches, fruit, juice, and some snacks. We sat on a blanket under a big tree and had a very relaxing afternoon.
That sounds really nice. My last picnic was at the beach. I ate snacks with my friends. We listened to music, watched the waves, and took many photos.
A picnic can be simple or a little bigger. You don't need a lot of money, just some food, maybe a basket or a bag, and a good place outside.
Exactly. It's not about expensive food. It's about spending time together, talking, laughing, and feeling happy.
And picnics are also a great way to meet new people. Sometimes other people at the park join in a game, or children play together. Now, let's ask another question. Who do you go with on a picnic?
Many people go with their family. For example, parents, children, brothers, and sisters. A family picnic is warm and cozy. You can eat together, play games, and enjoy a calm day.
Yes, family picnics are very common. Last month, my cousins joined us. We played soccer, shared sandwiches, and told fun stories.
But sometimes, people go with their friends. For example, classmates from school or close friends from work. A picnic with friends can be fun and exciting. You can play games, talk about school or work, and enjoy music together.
I remember one time, I had a picnic with my classmates. We brought food from home, played frisbee, and listened to music. Everyone was laughing, and it was a very happy day.
That sounds great. I usually go with my coworkers. At my job, we sometimes plan a picnic day. Everyone brings some food, drinks, or games, and we share everything. It helps us relax and become better friends outside of work.
Oh, that's nice. A picnic with coworkers is a good way to relax together, talk about non-work things, and enjoy a nice day outside.
Exactly. So you can go with your family, friends, classmates, or coworkers. It's your choice. You can even mix people, for example, family and friends together.
So now you know. A picnic means eating outside, enjoying nature, and spending time with special people like family, friends, classmates, or coworkers.
And the most important part? It's about having fun, laughing, and feeling happy while being together.
So listeners, who would you like to go on a picnic with, and what would you like to do there?
Share your opinion in the comments. We'd love to hear from you.
So we talked about what a picnic is, but now let's ask, where can you go for a picnic?
There are many places. The most common place is a park. Parks are big, green, and easy to visit.
Yes, a park is simple. You can sit on the grass, play games, or just relax under a tree. It's also free, so everyone can enjoy it.
Some people like the beach. At the beach, you can enjoy the sea, play in the sand, and even swim.
I love that. A picnic at the beach feels like a holiday. You eat, relax, and then go for a swim.
I agree, but some people prefer the forest. It's quiet with many trees and you can listen to the birds. A picnic in the forest feels very close to nature.
That sounds peaceful. Another nice place is by a lake. You can sit near the water, feed the ducks, or take photos.
Oh yes, a garden is also lovely. It could be a flower garden in the city or a small garden near your home.
And sometimes you don't need to go far. You can even have a picnic in your own backyard. Just take food outside, sit on a blanket, and enjoy.
That's true. A backyard picnic is simple, but it can still feel special.
Speaking of food, let's think about another question. What do you bring to a picnic?
The first thing is always food. Most people bring sandwiches, fruit, snacks, and drinks.
Yes, simple food is best. Sandwiches are easy to carry. Fruit like apples, bananas, or oranges is fresh and healthy. And of course, drinks like water or juice.
But a picnic is not only about food. You also need some things to make it comfortable.
Right. For example, a blanket or mat. You spread it on the grass and sit on it.
You can also use a basket to carry your food. It's easy and traditional.
Don't forget some fun things. Maybe music, a ball, or small games like cards or frisbee.
And if it's sunny, very important, sun cream. It protects your skin from the sun.
Good idea. I always bring a blanket and fruit. They are simple but perfect for a picnic.
For me, I always bring water and a ball to play with friends.
So, whether it's a park, beach, or even your backyard, and whether you bring sandwiches, a ball, or just water, the important thing is to relax and enjoy time together.
That's right. A picnic is not about things, it's about happiness.
So listeners, if you had a picnic this weekend, where would you go and what would you bring? Share your idea in the comments. So, now we know what a picnic is, who to go with, where to go, and what to bring. But here's the fun question. What do you do at a picnic?
The first thing, of course, is eat and drink. You enjoy the food you bring, maybe sandwiches, fruit, or snacks.
Yes, sitting on the blanket, eating simple food outside, it feels so nice. Even bread and cheese taste better in the fresh air.
I agree. Food at a picnic always feels special. And after eating, many people like to talk and laugh with friends or family. A picnic is a good time for conversation.
Right. You can tell stories, share jokes, or just chat about everyday life. Sometimes people even sing together.
Oh yes, singing is fun. And of course, a picnic is perfect for playing games. Some people bring a ball to play football or a frisbee. Others like card games or small board games.
I love playing frisbee at the park. It's fun and everyone can join in. Even if you are not very good, it's still funny and active.
Another thing people do is take photos. The park, the beach, or the forest can be beautiful places for pictures.
Yes, a picnic is also about memories. Photos help you remember the happy day.
And sometimes you don't need to do much. You can just relax and enjoy nature. Lie down on the blanket, watch the clouds, or listen to the birds.
That's true. Some people even read a book or take a short nap in the shade. A picnic can be full of games and fun, or it can be slow and peaceful.
Both ways are nice. Some days you feel active, some days you just want quiet.
Exactly. The best part is, there's no right way. A picnic is about enjoying the time together, however you like. So you see, a picnic can be busy with games or calm with relaxing. It's really your choice.
Exactly. The best picnic is the one where you feel happy and comfortable. So listeners, when you go on a picnic, do you like to play games and be active, or do you prefer to relax and enjoy nature?
Share your opinion in the comments. We'd love to hear from you.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great content. Click the subscribe button and stay updated with our latest episodes.
So, we've talked about what you do at a picnic. But let's think a little deeper. Why do people like picnics so much?
Good question. I think the first reason is simple. Picnics are fun. You eat, play games, and spend time with people you like.
Yes, I agree. Even small things like throwing a ball or just talking and laughing feel more special outside.
Exactly. And another reason is because picnics are relaxing. You don't have to hurry. You don't have to follow a schedule. You can sit on the blanket, enjoy the sun, or listen to the birds.
Yes. I love the feeling of lying down under a tree, looking at the clouds, and just breathing slowly.
That sounds nice. And here's another point. Picnics are also cheap. You don't need to spend a lot of money.
That's true. You just bring some food from home, maybe a sandwich, some fruit, and water. No restaurant bill, no ticket. It's simple and easy.
Exactly, just you, your friends, and nature. And I think many people love that.
And for me, another reason is fresh air. We spend so much time inside, at home, at school, in the office, but at a picnic, you go outside and breathe clean air.
That's right. Fresh air makes you feel good and gives you more energy. Sometimes, just one afternoon in the park can change your mood completely.
Absolutely. And maybe the most important reason, picnics make people happy.
I agree. Happiness is the heart of a picnic. When we share food, laugh, and relax outside, it feels very simple, but very special.
Do you remember your last picnic then? Did you feel happy?
Oh, yes. Last summer, I went to the lake with my cousins. We ate bread and cheese, we played games, and then we just sat near the water. It wasn't a big event, but I felt very happy.
That's a perfect example. It doesn't need to be big or expensive. Even a small picnic in the garden or backyard can bring joy.
Yes. So to put it all together, people like picnics because they are fun, relaxing, cheap, full of fresh air, and they make us happy.
Wonderful. A picnic is really more than just eating outside. It's about nature, family, friends, and feeling good.
You see, a picnic is a simple activity, but it can bring a lot of joy.
Yes, it's not just food. It's about fun, nature, and happiness.
So listeners, why do you like picnics? Is it because they are fun, relaxing, cheap, or something else? Share your answer with us in comment.
Okay, everyone, it's challenge time again.
Yes, let's see what you remember from today's episode about picnics. Are you ready?
Listen to this episode again and try to find 3 places where you can have a picnic. 3 things people bring to a picnic. 3 reasons why people like picnics.
You can write them down or just say them out loud. Ready? Go back and listen again after this. Now let's practice speaking out loud. Repeat after us. I like to have a picnic in the park. We bring sandwiches and fruit. I always take a blanket and basket. Picnics are fun with friends. Fresh air makes me happy.
Say them slowly and clearly. Repeat them 2 or 3 times. The more you say them, the easier it will feel. Now for a little writing practice. Write 3 to 5 sentences about your picnic or your dream picnic. You can answer, where do you want to go? Who do you want to go with? What food or things will you bring? What will you do there?
For example, I want to have a picnic at the beach. I will go with my family. We will bring sandwiches, fruit, and a blanket. I will swim in the water and play games. It will be fun and relaxing.
Great job! You practiced listening, speaking, and writing. That's the best way to grow your English step by step. Wow, we talked about a lot today. We learned what a picnic is, who to go with, where to go, what to bring, what to do, and why people love picnics.
Yes, and we also practiced new words like blanket, basket, relax, fresh air, and play games.
Remember, learning English is like a picnic. You bring simple things, share them, and enjoy the moment.
That's true. And don't forget, you can download the free PDF transcript of this episode in the description. It has today's vocabulary, notes, and practice exercises.
Before we say goodbye, we have a question for you. What topic do you want us to talk about next time?
Please share your ideas in the comments. We'd love to hear from you.
Thanks for joining us today, everyone.
See you next time on Every English Talk.